Welcome back, everyone. And पिछले podcast से we have done a little more exercise, little more research on what we want to do with this channel. We have come up with a name. It would be called the Casual Fandom. And we have two of our friends with us, Advait and Avik, and we have been school friends and friends for last 10 years. And we'll be talking about the new episode of The Falcon and the Winter Soldier and the random news which we had come up with Marvel. Starting with what you guys felt about the episode.
So the episode 6 of The Falcon and the Winter Soldier was really good. The thing was that they did really, they really did some justice over that, the character development and everything. But like most of the people over the internet saying the pacing was too fast. So yes, I felt it so. The whole thing up until episode 5 was going slow pacing thing, slowly developing, and then suddenly in episode 6 everything was going south, अरे मुझको मारो, अरे इसको मारो, चल वो उसको मार रहा, चल क्या ऐसा ऐसा मतलब क्या, like everything was like full hectic and all. So the pacing was a bit fast, and suddenly John Walker, which everyone hated, became an angel and everything. And we got
also redemption type दिया.
हाँ वही रिडक्शन दे दिया उसको, क्या ये अपना बच्चा है, इसको कोई ऐसा हेट मत करो. ये अच्छा बंदा है. And they like introduced the power broker too, okay, no, they suddenly just did it like within 5 or 10 seconds, and they just done with it, they just move on,
so bomb drop किया and then they like कि ठीक है हो गया, let's go.
उसका नाम है अगर बोले तो
they shot 3 people and it's like चलो somebody died, okay we are done. That was the power broker by then.
इतना है फर्स्ट जब से शरण कार्टर को इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया था, आई हैड डाउट कि हाँ इसका कुछ तो ये एक शेडी नेचर है, एंड कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लिंक कर रहा था कि पावर ब्रेकर के साथ होएगा. बट देन आफ्टर ये वांडा विजन आई वाज लाइक नो फक नो, मैं नहीं सोचेगा, मैं कोई थियराइजिंग नहीं करेगा, मेरे को करने का ही नहीं है करके आई वाज कीपिंग माय एक्सपेक्टेशन लो. बट देन दैट्स हाउ इट टर्न्ड आउट. सो आई वाज लाइक, अगर इस एपिसोड इफ यू जस्ट टॉक अबाउट द होल सीरीज, इट I don't know whether I liked it that much or not, but it felt grounded and it was good writing. I would say it was good writing because अब तक if you have seen from 2008 Iron Man से लेके अब तक, I have seen one thing about Marvel which I pretty much like is they are growing with the years. It's not like कि ऐसे ही comedy चाहिए वैसे ही चाहिए. With starting it was more of comedy, it was more of action and all the science fiction or whatever VFX they wanted to bring in. But as and when the years passed and movies grew, they have started to become darker, they have started to become more realistic about, and that's what I liked about this show. I don't know whether it comes to a rank of very good or very bad, but it was more realistic, it was good, and it gave everything which it had to give, which it had to offer. उतना तक तो ठीक था. बट अरे तू बोल, तेरे को कैसा लगा? कल डिस्कस करते समय तो बहुत गाली दे रहा था, तो यू कैन स्टार्ट विद द गाली.
मुझे लगता है मुझे उसका व्यू पॉइंट सबसे एकदम एकदम अलग है, तो मे बी उसको लास्ट में बात करना चाहिए.
ठीक है, तू बोल अभी, तेरे को कैसा लगा?
सो आई एग्री आदित्य की राइटिंग वाज गुड. मतलब जो भी शो का स्क्रिप्ट राइटर है या जो जिसने भी लिखा है, दैट वाज राइटिंग वाज गुड, बट आई फील कि इट कुड हैव बीन शॉट बेटर. मतलब scenes could have been portrayed a little bit better. For example, इसका Sam का speech when he is giving the speech to the senator, मतलब I don't know, just something about it didn't feel as powerful as it should have been. मतलब वो बस बोल रहा है ऐसे ही, facial expressions or something like that. जितना impact आना चाहिए था of his words, of his that was not there. So एक वो scene था which I have a complaint with कि could have been shot better. Then also I also felt कि उसका जो यूनिफॉर्म है too much white and too much, मतलब like शो में किसी ने बोला कि they will never let a black man be a Captain America. So his suit has like all white. हाँ पूरा white, उसको contrast करने के लिए कि he's a black man but he's wearing white, so he's full contrast के लिए they put in the white in suit so much. Even Steve का यूनिफॉर्म या फिर जॉन वॉकर का यूनिफॉर्म में भी इतना वाइट नहीं था जितना उसको वाइट था.
नहीं बट अगर
Made out
कॉमिक
of
का
comics.
पिक्चर में देखता हूँ ना
This made out of कैप्टन अपना स्टीव रॉजर्स का सीमेन. कोई अल्ट्रावायलेट डालेगा ना मस्त ग्लो करेगा.
I mean, hey, like that suit was directly from the comics, you know, like the same जो suit.
कॉमिक एक्यूरेट था बेसिकली
Yeah, वही,
उसका
comic
ये
accurate.
सूट.
वो लोग अभी क्या वही कर रहे हैं, मतलब कॉमिक्स में जिनका जो सूट है, जो जीमो का देखो या फिर जॉन डॉन चीडल का देखो एंड किसका भी देखो, मतलब कॉमिक क्या क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट सबका. तो उस अप्रोच में डाला है. बट मुझे सूट बहुत अच्छा लगा. कॉन्ट्ररी टॉपिक, सूट मुझे बहुत आता नहीं कुछ, क्या बोलते हैं, अच्छा लगा. पर
आई फेल्ट जैसा अविक बोल रहा है, इट शुड हैव बीन अ लिटिल डाउनग्रेड. अभी अगर तू कॉमिक एक्यूरेट देखेगा ना,
थोड़ा सटल होना चाहिए था ना, मतलब
एग्जैक्टली. एंटमैन का कॉमिक में तूने देखा है क्या कैसा दिखता है?
हाँ एंटेना सब है उसके
तो ऐसा, और वो छोड़, वांडा का तूने देखा कॉमिक को क्या पहनती है वो? अगर वो सीरीज में डालते
डाला था सीरीज में, it was there. She was banned.
हाँ, डाला था उसने वो फेस्टिवल
डाला था, बट नीचे स्लैक्स पहना था ना उसने, कुछ तो पहना था. इट वाज पिंक कलर, इट वाज नॉट जस्ट बॉडी शो ना.
The same thing was the comic costume, that pink spandex.
वो पिंक कॉमिक्स में भी है.
Yeah.
ऐसा क्या?
Yeah.
हाँ.
Like she
अच्छा,
was
अच्छा.
wearing that
ब्लू
swimsuit.
सूट मेरे को तो ऐसा लगा कि अपन कुछ ऐसा अनबॉक्स करता है ना, मस्त पैकेट से नया निकालता तो एकदम मस्त.
कैप्टन अमेरिका का अनबॉक्सिंग हुआ.
हाँ, उसके बाद
अरे वो मेरे को फिफ्थ एपिसोड वही लग रहा था. उसके बाद हाँ कट करके अनबॉक्सिंग ऑफ माय ये क्या शील्ड नया वाला जो है वो करना चाहिए. तो
ये अपना वो पल्प फिक्शन का सीन है ना, व्हाट्स इन द बॉक्स, क्या गोल्डन कलर का लाइट आता है उसमें से.
उसके अंदर नया सूट है.
मतलब वही काइंड ऑफ वो थिंग. तो उसको कॉल बैक जैसा लगा मेरे को. पर ऊपर से मुझे
कैप्टन अमेरिका.
हाँ उसमें एक और ये सीरीज में जो एपिसोड में ड्रॉबैक है इसका सूट का, too much of animation for the suit. Like he was still like walking like real life for a few minutes or something. Like rest of them it was fully CGI, the flying, the helicopter scene, the even
CGI से याद है. Do you remember this training sequence उसका? So when he's like training, you can literally see the stunt double's face. You can see his face. Yes, you can see his. I saw it like 2-3 times उसका पूरा scene में. I didn't understand like why couldn't they just take a shot उसके पीछे से. अगर वो लोग stunt double use कर रहे हैं उसको कूदते हुए, तो पीछे से लेना शॉट, कुछ उसका चेहरा दिख रहा है. And then उसके बाद इतना bad cut के बाद they show his face like अपना एक्टर का फेस.
ये मैंने मिस किया, मैंने देखा नहीं.
अरे मेरे को नोटिस नहीं, बट लाइक आई सेड कि मतलब
अरे it was so
अच्छा नहीं है, लाइक लेजी सिनेमेटोग्राफी था.
Easiest cuts that I have seen in Marvel. It is so shitty.
come on.
So shitty. Oh no, अरे कितना sloppy है. Like I mean ऐसा
चल
basic
अभी तू अपना पूरा बता. तेरे पूरे इसका ओवरव्यू का अपन वेट कर रहे हैं कि क्या तेरे को लगा इसमें.
टेकन अ डंप अभी यहाँ बात करने से पहले यही हक देना चाहिए था मुझे.
Take it, rip into it. Come on, go for it.
Okay. First things first. Last episode was poop. Like it was the cringiest thing I have seen. The whole speech was cringy as fuck. It was so. I mean, it was such a powerful thing to deal with a black man taking up the mantle of Captain America. But when you think about this,
They played it off so coolly. Like it's
no, not just that. What I hated was he supported this antagonist का cause. मतलब by the end, Falcon को भी like समझ गया था, Sam Wilson को भी. It's kind of true, there shouldn't be any borders. It should be like one world because it is better,
नहीं ऐसा नहीं बोला. देख प्रॉब्लम क्या था, एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम वाज दैट ब्लिप में जो लोग आए उनको छोड़ दिया. तो मतलब जो ब्लिप में जो नए लोग आए उन लोग को एक्सेप्ट किया. जो पहले से 5 साल से मर रहे थे उनको बोला यार जा चल निकले उससे. जो नए आए उनको संभालने दे, समझ रहा है. तो उन लोग को क्या है, उन लोग का
no. The issue was blip हुआ ना, like after the half the people vanished, then it stopped being a like the world stopped being like divided into countries. Everyone was helping each other. Like there was no ऐसा shit.
No borders, nothing.
Yeah,
no governments, no borders. It was more of like a वो बोलती है ना, people were welcoming everyone with open arms.
And then जैसे ही बाकी लोग आ गया, it all went back to being the same thing. It was as if nothing ever. There was no change at all, you know.
No,
The world
they,
was a better place
yeah,
without border.
but they were also focusing on like giving more privileges to the one who came back, like the one who came back from the dead. So they were like, so they were neglected. The people who were there for
No, it
5
wasn't.
years.
I don't think it was like neglected as such. But I know like they felt that they were neglected. Matlab, what about all of this stuff? But my like point is, Sam had agreed. He had agreed that it was a better place without borders and stuff. And then literally in the next scene, he talks to what is that guy, Isaiah
Bradley.
Isaiah Bradley. He talks to him and he says that I am gonna protect my country. He didn't say the entire world. Even though like they have fought a big threat like Thanos level threat and everything, ये सब हो गया, ये blip हो गया, ये लोग इतना सारा क्या बोलते borders and all का issue हो गया, and he's supporting also the antagonist. He agreed with it, and अब वो बोल रहा है कि I'm gonna like fight for my country. And it just felt really as a shitty, it felt like zero character development in that sense.
I felt उस time पे they were justifying the black movement which is happening in America. So I guess they were bringing in that into the picture.
That context, they were saying like he was like they were like the 400 days of slavery and everything. So we are saying that even after that people, we have built this country and everything, but even if people don't give a shit about us, like we built this country, we've been in here, like he's speaking in that context. So
that's what I'm saying, because ये सब चीज में तो it doesn't make sense, conceptually. If you are making someone a Captain America, the name itself suggests that this guy was created to protect the country first.
The country, correct.
Yeah,
the country first. So the villain and the movement shouldn't have been introduced in this series. It could have worked with maybe any other, to be honest, any other.
So you mean to say the fact about having no borders and everything, and Karli Morgenthau, he supporting the fact, should not got in here because he's primarily being Captain America, तो उसको उस पे focus करना चाहिए.
Yeah, so conceptually it doesn't make sense for
it's contrasting.
She also said to Sam like, you bought into this shit, like she was like convinced that he was not into that, and she was when he wore a suit, she was like, bitch, I told you, I gave a whole lecture the last episode and he still bought into this shit. Okay, now I understand what you're trying to say.
And दूसरा बात ये भी है कि just the villain itself, all kinds of villain have some kind of relationship with the hero. There is a reason why that person is the villain for that particular story.
Correct.
You could have used this guy Karli for any other story, any other superhero. It would have still worked.
Like you're saying that this villain was not unique to this storyline.
No, not exactly. There was
she could have worked anywhere. I agree कि उसका किसी ना सैम से कोई रिलेशन था ना फिर उसका बकी से कोई रिलेशन था. She was just randomly thin air से they created Karli Morgenthau, and because of that super serum and super soldierness, she had a relation with Bucky and Captain America and all that thing. तो किसी और को उसको WandaVision में भी विलन बना देते तो भी चल जाता.
But अभी तुम लोग को in contrast of WandaVision and the Falcon and the Winter Soldier, so we have 2 releases up till now. तुम लोगों को इन दोनों में से कौन सा बेटर लगा और तुम लोगों को क्या इन जनरल इन दोनों सीरीज के बारे में क्या लगा?
Can I say first? Can I talk first?
Yeah.
So before WandaVision and everything released ना, जब मेरे को पता था कि ये 2 सीरीज आने वाला है and then Loki and all, तो I was excited about Falcon and the Winter Soldier because इन दोनों का like Sam Wilson and Bucky का, इन लोगों का ज्यादा कुछ ऐसा अच्छा आर्क या अच्छा स्टोरी है था नहीं. Bucky का फिर भी थोड़ा सा, Sam was like very bland.
Yes,
and
I
was
just a random sidekick.
Yeah, just apart from the fight scenes and everything, there wasn't like real any story or plot about them, and I wanted them to be I wanted to explore like how they are gonna do, how they're gonna go about their stories.
Okay.
I wasn't actually very excited about WandaVision because मुझको Wanda बहुत टट्टी लगती है. I don't know. I find her like a humongous bitch, which was even proved in the series for me. Like
whole series में वही था उसका.
I did empathize with her, but I also found her like a humongous bitch.
Okay,
But,
justifiable,
हाँ,
understandable.
I wasn't excited about WandaVision, but WandaVision has turned out to be so unique.
Yes,
उन लोग का story
First time
The
in
storytelling style.
Yeah, the
हाँ, the
genre and
storytelling
everything was
so
like
unique. It was so
completely
different from every fucking Marvel movie out there. It was
Yes.
like kind of what ये Taika Waititi did with Thor.
Yeah.
You know, Ragnarok.
Or
It
exactly.
was so different.
It just
So-
changed the whole storytelling. As you said, thanks for bringing Thor Ragnarok here. ठीक है, मेरे को जो भी बोल, Thor Ragnarok stands out in the whole Marvel Cinematic Universe because it is, as I've already said, it is total parody of everything which was built up till then. मतलब उधर तक ऐसा serious okay कुछ जा रहा है, Thor Ragnarok was complete parody of everything which was made, and which was
Or,
what
Ragnarok
made that
was
movie
the-
more interesting.
It was the
Oh,
silence
Thor
before
felt
the
really
storm.
real.
Exactly.
He,
कौन है बच्चा रो रहा है?
Avik, what are you doing?
I'm not doing anything, nigga.
Yeah, this guy right here.
Okay. Okay, let's continue this shit. Okay. So let's just end it with the like final points.
नहीं मेरे को ये था जो चल रहा था वो सब लोगों ने बोला नहीं, अभी अद्वैत ने बोल दिया कि इनको कैसा लगा.
Advait, continue.
बस वही I hated WandaVision. Well, I wasn't looking forward to WandaVision, but I loved it, and I was looking forward to this Falcon and Winter Soldier, and I hated it. The writing was sloppy. I heard that they changed the script
Yeah,
a few times. So basically, all the dialogues were really shitty. They were really cringy. There was no impact. No one was building upon anything. Things were just happening. It was fast paced. No, you know, just it was.
You didn't feel connected. You didn't feel connection towards it.
I felt nothing. It was just like I was watching some पुराना YouTube action का shitty action movie.
इतना डाउनग्रेड मत कर यार.
अबे तेरे को क्या लगा दोनों में से क्या बेटर था और दोनों के बारे में क्या लगा?
Yeah, like undoubtedly WandaVision was way better, like in storytelling, even you know, हीरो का एक दूसरा साइड दिखाया कि if she wanted to be a bad person, then she could have been a very bad person. So वो एक नया perspective था. The show storytelling was nice, direction भी nice था. It had longer episodes, so they explored it. उन्होंने चीजों को explore भी किया in the 3 extra episodes they had. यहाँ पे तो फिनाले में इतना सब घुसेड़ दिया, क्रैम कर दिया एकदम कि अभी it is possible that कि shooting restrictions थे कोरोना पैंडेमिक की वजह से फटाफट उन लोगों ने डाला.
No, इसका तो कम वो WandaVision got affected because of COVID-19 on shooting. उसका 10 episodes होने वाला था. They reduced it to 9. इसका तो simple reason was because they had only this much story. Kevin Feige के इंटरव्यू में he says कि मेरे पास इतना ही स्टोरी है एंड मैं इसको बढ़ा के कर सकता है, बट बाद में प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट भी ज्यादा लगता है, तो इसलिए मैं 6 एपिसोड में बंद कर रहा हूँ.
छोड़ देते ना, क्या ही मतलब बस टीमों को नचवाया, बाकी को रुलाया और क्या ही.
अरे they literally had time to show Bucky's Ebony fetish. Yes. वो डोरा मिलाजे के वो एक बंदी पे भी उसको ऐसा कुछ
यार
उसके बाद सैम की बहन पे भी लाइन मार रहा था साले.
I mean, like he was good, bro. Like
में रात
they can
और
resist.
साले
They can,
now he gets a boner every time he sees dark skin.
come on, bro.
so like I said कि at least एक और एपिसोड लेके थोड़ा और अच्छे से सबको क्लोजर देते, आइडिया को क्लोजर देते ठीक से.
वो एक्चुअली जब ये बोलते हैं ना सीन में कि हे क्या वी हैव फाउंड द लास्ट फ्लैग स्मैशर, कैन यू हेल्प अस, उसके बाद उड़ के जाता, मेरे को लगा वो खत्म हो गया. उसके बाद का 12 मिनट वो बेसिकली सबको बुक करने का, अरे हाँ इसको क्लोजर देने का, इसको क्लोजर देने का, इसको क्लोजर देने का.
लिटरली 12 मिनट के सीन में थर्ड ऐसा हुआ पे कट.
वो मेरे को उसके बाद मैं देखा था कितना मिनट बचा है, 11 मिनट. अभी क्या करेंगे 11 मिनट में, ऐसा फटाफट चल इसको क्लोजर दे, इसको बंद कर, इसको बंद कर, ये भी बंद करने का. लाइक भाई
scene was so rushed, man. I really felt bad about that. That Nakajima scene, like he goes,
नाकाजिमा का वो सॉरी वाला, हाँ एक्चुअली वो बहुत रश था.
rush किया है, आगे दिया वो.
That was rushed and badly cut thing. अगर उन लोग को दिखाना ही था, they could have just shown him go into the
go enter, exactly, I agree. Enter करते हुए दिखा सकते थे वो,
and then cut करो he leaving the apartment and then वो restaurant में उसको देख के जा रहा है विंडो के,
मतलब उसको समझा ही नहीं तुम क्या कन्वे कर रहे हो, उसने माफ किया नहीं किया, थप्पड़ मारा नहीं थप्पड़ मारा.
अभी देख, अभी सीन दिखाया, मैं तुम्हारे बेटे को मर्डर किया, अच्छा किसने किया, मैंने किया, अरे क्यों, अरे मेरे पास कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं था.
और वो नहीं, मेरे को वो भी अच्छा नहीं लगा.
Then he stares at him through the window,
poorly executed.
Lunch with his crush.
Yeah. She was like, bitch, I'm watching on you, don't enter this bar, I will kill you. He was like, okay, don't come here, and everything like that. So उसके बाद actually honest opinion क्या है कि the show was basically like Falcon and the Winter Soldier, like as it was in WandaVision, like focusing on Wanda and her grief and Vision and like the Falcon and his problems, like real world problems, and Winter Soldier and his PTSD problems and everything. Like for that, I think this series did a justice, like establishing the ground rules and what is happening with these superheroes in the real world. Like no other flashy superhero stuff and supervillain stuff. No, like what's happening with their daily lives. How are they coping up with this war and stuff and this blip and everything. Like they much more grounded approach, and they also included a racial thing into this. I don't think any other studios has done this before.
मेरे को ऐसा like I felt कि वो racial thing ना, मतलब just to be inclusive and
just to bring that milk that factor, I guess.
Plot point की तरह आइडिया ब्रैडली plot point की तरह use करने के लिए I felt कि उसको डाल दिया बीच में, and just to be current stay abreast of current events and
हाँ देख अभी देख ऐसा लगेगा फील करेगा, पर actually what Captain America and his Captain America and his goons like Falcon, Winter Soldier, this series in comic itself always discuss about politics and political standings of US, and those things like the villains coming trying to gain power and everything. So the whole thing of Captain America and their goons just deal with these politics and everything. So being of that context and everything, and given the context of present day, like PLM and everything, Black Lives Matter, like Marvel found an opportunity to relate with the larger audience other than the white superheroes, and the only black superhero we got is Black Panther. So the black people took it so much to heart. They were so much the hype, like super hype, but actually it wasn't that much of a hyped movie. So Marvel found a way to relate with larger audiences, like deal with real life situations apart from these superhero stuff. So like
I agree with that.
Yeah.
I don't think हम लोग भी बोल रहे कि the inclusion of Black Lives Matter thing and basically the racial thing, I mean it's still there. बहुत ऐसा racism and all होता है, and even in the superhero world वैसा रहता है. Since they are trying to show a realistic world, racism भी रहता है, and you can't have a black Captain America.
Yes.
So it is actually a very big deal that he manages to become the black Captain America. Like people also accept. A lot of people accept him, like but, in the end they start calling him also Captain. But what I feel is, और I guess बाकी लोग इसलिए बोल रहे हैं just because include करने के लिए उन्होंने किया, क्योंकि उन लोगों ने बराबर से execute नहीं किया वो चीज. Just because of that reason it feels that सिर्फ उन्होंने करने के लिए किया है. They could have included it in a very better way, or at least they could have made a better show,
Yeah, they could have. I agree with Avik said, like they could have increased the number of episodes. Like why limited to 6? Like why the hell? Like
मेरे को नहीं लगता कि if they had made another episode, I just think they would have made another shitty episode.
No, they could have. They could have like the thing was like from starting itself the show was slow paced. So they could have just gone with that style and slowly developed thing which we didn't get full closure on, like this racial thing, the John Walker's sudden change of character, like oh I'm a good boy, I have always been a good boy, like
I think John Walker का thing is good because John Walker was shown to be a good man.
Yeah.
वो बस in the moment he made a bad decision.
Yeah.
His very good friend died, and ये भी देखना, if he was like a very bad guy, they could have easily shown that he didn't have a black best friend, whom he grieved for. अरे वो
Correct.
उसको मेडल्स भी आया है आर्मी में. He's technically a good person. Okay, he has literally fought for the country.
Good person, like वो इतने जो मीम सर्कुलेट हुए ना कि Steve being a good man and him being a good soldier. I don't look at him as a good man because even in the talks he had with Lamar, मतलब जब वो सैम जाता है ना उससे कार्ली से अकेले बात करने के लिए, तब जो उसके साथ जो लमार के साथ उसकी बातें होती है, they kind of sound like कि he's just a good soldier.
Yeah, he's just a good soldier. Exactly.
Right, वो उसको करना चाहिए. He didn't think कि Carly deserve to talk, you know, even explain her side कि why
he has issues with power. He wants to be action. Always did everything.
He was just being Captain America.
Trying to be.
Not being Captain America.
No, he was being Captain America, but he was being Captain America as a soldier and not as a, you know.
Exactly. No, Captain America is supposed to be that only.
Not.
That's what he understands about it. He has to protect his country. He came for that mission and that mission only. And for him, Carly was a terrorist who was trying to, you know, do shit.
Yeah, so like basically he was following orders. He doesn't empathize. That's the thing which Sam has. He empathizes with the situation just like Steve Rogers does. Like Steve could have killed Bucky. Like he knew the Bucky won't be back. His mind brainwashed and everything. He could have just followed the government orders and oh fuck you man, I don't know you anymore. So like he could have done that. No, but he instead just stood there like you can beat me to death, but I will not fight you, because he trusted him. He empathized with him. Like he knew that he was not that bad guy which he is now. He's like he was the good guy friend he had. So like that empathizing quality which makes a person more human, that quality didn't exist with
Winter Soldier also. When they were trying to stop Bucky and everything, they went to full lengths trying to stop Tony Stark and everything. Captain America almost did kinda kill, but he didn't. I know.
Yeah.
But let's say if they had like managed to, let's say, kill Bucky or something like that. मतलब let Bucky ने जो भी ऐसा काम वाम किया था तभी he was like the terrorist and all ना वो movie में. So let's say to stop him or something, they had, let's say, killed. Basically I'm trying to put Lamar and ये इसका जगह पे जॉन वॉकर के जगह पे Steve Rogers and Bucky.
I think what would have happened to Steve if Bucky died?
I think like Steve might have made a very rash decision at that point too, because he was like pretty busy.
So even उसका हाथ निकालने के लिए टोनी का उसने हार्ट के ऊपर अटैक करके he disarmed Tony this.
Yeah, disarmed.
Just because he was able to rip off his arms. तो अगर वो मारता तो भाई बहुत कुछ होता.
Okay, मेरे को एक example देने का about how shitty the writing is. Can I?
Yes.
Okay, एक scene याद आ रहा है.
Podcast उसके लिए तू जो बोलने का बोल.
So there was a scene with I think 5th episode में where Sam's sister, उसका नाम क्या है?
Sarah.
Sarah is sending her kids to school. So she asked them to give some food to like some kids. Okay. Now this is what she says to the kids, and then Sam is just sitting there. Sam doesn't ask anything, and सारा खुद ही बोलने लग जाती है कि बिकॉज कुछ बच्चे लोग ऐसा ये है वो है, उन लोग खाता नहीं, देर टू प्राउड टू आस्क फॉर फूड, तो वी जस्ट गिव देम. एंड देन आउट ऑफ नोवेयर इट्स ऑल अबाउट them always, you know, giving stuff to other people, जैसे उसकी मम्मी और
giving stuff to others and उनके parents का. Correct.
It was pretty sloppily written. They could have easily asked Sam, पूछ सकता था कि why this, why are they doing that, or you know, it would have had more impact. It didn't have that.
Even if just अगर वो नहीं भी करते ना तो भी pretty much understood था कि people black people, you know, help each other community.
हाँ.
It is pretty much understood. अगर वो इतना explicitly नहीं भी बोलते तो
came out as
saying it made it more cringe.
Like talking about it or saying it ऐसा without anyone asking. Even कुछ ऐसा provoke भी नहीं किया. It wasn't even like Sam ऐसा did some nod or something or made some action. She just started bragging. That's how it felt.
Okay. What about the character of Sharon Carter or Shady Carter, like being
I didn't remember Sharon from the past movies, and then I remembered, oh, Captain America kissed some chick ना ऐसा कोई तो movie. That's how I remember.
Civil War.
Sam and Bucky were like, yeah man.
Yeah.
I literally Googled ऐसा YouTube पे टाइप किया मैं Captain America kissing Sharon और वो सीन देख के ओ ये बंदी.
She was like in 2 movies, in Winter Soldier and in this thing. And both of the movies, she just got a like few minutes of that screen time.
Civil War, I think.
इसमें भी उतना ही मिला ब्रो उसको. वो मैट्रिक वाले एपिसोड में भी 2-4 मिनट दिया और लास्ट एपिसोड में भी 2-4 मिनट.
मोस्टली सब फोन कॉल था उसका.
आज इसमें उसको कुछ तो कॉल लगा के किसी को तो कुछ बोला था एंड तभी शेडी लगना लग गई थी मेरे को.
ये सबको पता था कुछ ना कुछ ही कर रहा है. मतलब
अरे वो बार्ट्रॉक को शी कॉल्ड बार्ट्रॉक ना, वो 5th एपिसोड में कार्ली के पास
पे यू डबल एंड एवरीथिंग, राइट?
शी किल्ड बार्ट्रॉक का नाम लिया एंड
उसने उसको किल भी इसलिए किया बिकॉज़ शी डिडंट वांट द सीक्रेट टू बी out.
Yeah, but I still think that she's not the power broker. Like she doesn't admit that. Like
आज मैंने एक थियरी देखा. बोल रहा हूँ as a theory about Sharon Carter. ठीक है. So it is a possibility that this Sharon Carter is actually a Skrull.
Yeah. I also saw that. Yeah, she may be a Skrull, but that would be so lame. Just imagine Marvel just doing plot holes like, oh no, that guy was a Skrull. No, you know, that's okay. That guy is a Skrull.
मतलब अभी since now they have Skrull ना, तो किसी को भी ऐसा redeem कर सकते ना वो.
Yeah, वही.
Redeem मतलब
Sam Wilson is a
Skrull बना देंगे.
अभी Nick Fury को redeem किया Far From Home में. अभी इसको भी redeem कर, मतलब it will be like too predictable and kind of lame writing if they do that.
वो fallback हो जाएगा. कोई भी character भी फालतू किया, just blame it on a Skrull.
Yeah.
Because everything is building up to that finally. I guess Skrull Secret Invasion के बारे में बढ़ रहा है सब कुछ.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ Sam Wilson is a Skrull. So it message ये है कि there cannot be a black Captain America. Alien Captain America भी चलेगा but
black नहीं चलेगा.
और एक chance है. The original power broker in the comics was like this guy. There's a male character whose name drop is not yet been given in this series or in any of the movies. And also Zemo said he knew him before, like when they were talking.
मेरे को ये प्लॉट होल लगा. मेरे को समझा नहीं. जीमो एक तो कब बाहर था, जब 5 साल के पहले जेल में जो अभी पता नहीं जीमो वाज ब्लिप्ड और नॉट, वी डोंट नो. ठीक है. सेकेंडली जीमो उस 5 साल के पहले वो मिला सबको बिकॉज ही वाज गेनिंग ऑल द info about Avengers and all. तब मिला. ठीक है. मेरे को अभी ये नहीं समझा, ये वो एक प्लॉट होल बराबर बोला लाजर ने. उसने हिम बोला स्पेसिफिकली. जीमो उससे मिला, तो जीमो क्या शैरन कार्टर से मिला?
नहीं मिला.
और शैरन कार्टर को देख के बोला नहीं रहेगा कि इसने जीमो ने किया. रही तो क्या ये थोड़ा प्लॉट होल था.
Plot hole नहीं actually. Plot hole नहीं. Marvel doesn't do plot holes like in a huge way. Like they do references. Like he said him. Like they did that like for मतलब जानबूझ के किया. समझा? Like Zemo was in jail after Civil War event. So him knowing Power Broker will be like before the events of Civil War, like before 2016, before Avengers Infinity War and everything. So I think
Sharon Carter was an agent of Shield.
Yeah, I think she's a agent of Power Broker or maybe working with Power Broker. Like the one she calls and the post-credit scene might be the real Power Broker. Like she's like get the things ready up, like अपना बंदे लोग.
She is like the face.
उस scene में we don't actually see her accepting that I am the Power Broker.
Yeah,
she just
exactly.
let assume.
Yes, they just assume.
लग रहा है मैं है तो मैं है.
Yeah, वही. So I don't think that she is the Power Broker yet. I think the main Power Broker is someone much more bigger. Like
she is just a face.
Also she doesn't look like she could be the Power Broker. मतलब इतनी पिद्दी सी लगती है. She could not justice to the power.
Why would agent could Power Broker be on the ground, you know, fighting goons to protect वो जो बाकी लोग सब. No, वो जो crates वाला जगह था ना जहाँ पे.
Madripoor.
Shipment.
For her to do it.
Yeah, she really seemed shady and everything at that time. Like
वो तो मेरे बहुत.
She has been Skrull for a long while. Then Captain America kissed a Skrull.
Yes, Captain America just Skrull. Like,
holy shit.
No.
Holy shit.
परी भी है Captain America.
But then about Secret Invasion Skrull, Amy अपनी Daenerys, the mother of dragons being cast.
Before that, we
Secret Invasion.
We have to finish this series, and we will move on to trailers and more. So the last thing which I feel which the series did good was the Isaiah tribute they did at the museum. like
बट वो थोड़ा जल्दी हो गया सबिक सेड बहुत जल्दी बोल दिया
rushed था पर I like that gesture from Sam. Like he did something, he pulled the strings, he didn't come to an arrangement with the government. Like, bitch, this is the guy who was actually the Captain America, and you guys like violated him and everything. Like, but the government didn't accepted that publicly and everything. Just put a statue over there. But
that's possible because Isaiah Bradley said, "No, I want to be." He didn't want to be recognized or anything after 30 years of interview.
Okay.
I have a quiet life right now. I want to ask something about this thing.
Okay, so the respect of privacy. Okay. पर मुझे जैसे अच्छा लगा. It was really heartwarming scene. I like almost cried in that scene.
I want to ask when Isaiah Bradley was like talking about his story. Did you guys get it? The other people with him, they were also like black soldiers. मतलब उनपे ही exclusively experiment हुआ है.
Yes. This was directly from the comics itself. Like the whole thing, the whole gang was black people.
Because it didn't, and it like confused me. I was like, why are they like so? How did it become about a black man when it was just him? और बाकी लोगों पे भी experiment हुआ. I assumed कि बाकी के लोग भी ऐसा white रहेगा.
नहीं. Then actually ये क्या बोलते हैं real life events से और pop culture events सबसे mixed है. इन लोग को जो भी story
I know.
So but like I saw this thing in a breakdown and everything. I don't know myself. Like the black people were the black soldiers in America were early on experimented the guys who had syphilis. They were experimented by giving placebo and everything. So they were not given the cure. Like that kind of experiment shit that actually happened in real life. So they kind of reflected that thing in Isaiah Bradley's story, which is also taken from the comics. So
for someone who hasn't like read the comics, okay, उसको भी like explicitly पता तो होना चाहिए ना कि this
बराबर experiment करके.
Because I never got it. तो मेरे को समझा नहीं कि why is he like being so pissed off about experiment उस पे किया. Why is it about black man? Then मेरे को मेरे दोस्त ने बताया कि it was actually experiment conducted on exclusively black people. So that's why he's saying कि it's a racial thing, Yes. They are like discriminating against us.
But doesn't mention that those people are black. He just says like he states the fact like Steve did the exact same thing which he did. But Steve got away with that thing. Like he saved the men from the camp and came back victorious. And people just said that hey, all hail
Captain him.
Yeah.
उसका सब माफ कर दिया.
But showman से Captain America
बराबर.
Yes, and when Isaiah Bradley करता है, so the government like you just denied the protocol and everything, you should be jailed. So this
that was because Isaiah Bradley ने जिसको बचाया ना जिन लोगों को, they were all black people.
No, not like that. No. They were in the PWO camp. They were a part of evidence that government want to be destroyed because of the super soldier serum program. So he said they were not evidence. They were my men, my friends.
They were my brothers.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It was all black people. The people he said.
नहीं. Ajay, they were not black people. Basically, they were just people जिसको एक black man ने बचाया. But if the same thing of saving people was done by a white man, he would have been kept as a hero. ठीक है. इसको क्या लगता है? मैं तेरे को reiterate बोलता हूँ. Basically, same like all race people were 15-20 का जो लोग थे were sent to a camp. वो पकड़े गए थे and this black guy goes them saves them. But होता क्या है? He gets into jail. अभी देख जब ये स्टीव रॉजर्स ने किया था, they took him, made him a hero. इसने किया था तो they started testing on him because Steve Rogers का जो serum था was made by Erskine and it was a serum which was stable. इसके टाइम पे जो लोग ये लोग कर रहे थे stable नहीं था.
मेरे को समझा वो सब चीज. But what I'm saying is वो लोग explicitly ये सब चीज mention नहीं करते हैं. So people who aren't familiar with this, they मतलब मैं तो कंफ्यूज हुआ था.
बस वो सीन से और I think they just wanted to take away the scene like white people get away with these things but black people doesn't, which really happening like for the past 1 year in which we have seen.
मेरे को वो समझा इस बाद में कि वो लोग इन लोग को रेस्पेक्ट नहीं देते but since this guy has like a blonde hair, blue eyes and stuff, so that image is stuck with people कि he can only be Captain America and shit like that.
बराबर.
But also
ये भी एक मैं वो मीम देखा कि Isaiah says they will never let a black man be Captain America. The next scene में Sam is like I am Captain America.
Yeah, Captain.
And फिर next scene में Rhodey is like bitch am I a joke to you?
वो अबे रोडी
I'm really waiting for Rhodey का Armor Wars to come
Yes,
out
yes.
because he has been part since 2009 till now and he deserves a standalone
अबे
series of
इतना
films.
बड़ा
बेचारा
waste-
लंगड़ा तक हो गया
भाई,
बेचारा।
इतना वेस्ट
हाँ, he
कैरेक्टर
lost
में नहीं है
मतलब
भाई, उसको
कमर के
इतना-
नीचे उसको चलने को नहीं आता,
वही।
उसको सीरीज दे नहीं दे सकते।
अरे मतलब बंदे को ना इतना क्या बोलते हैं एक ऐसा आदमी बना दिया मतलब
अच्छा तुम लोग में से मेरे को ये बताओ रोडी का तुमको पोर्ट्रेयल बाय दिस गाय आई फॉरगॉट हिज नेम
Don Cheadle।
डॉन चिडल का अच्छा लगा कि टेरेंस हावर्ड हु वाज द रोडी इन द फर्स्ट, तुमको वो अच्छा लगा कि ये वाला अच्छा लगा?
आई लाइक
मुझे ये वाला because he has
I like
longer and
both. I think I like more the first one. Like he was.
मुझे भी वो टेरेंस हावर्ड ही बेटर लगा था।
Yeah.
बिकॉज़ ही वाज वेल बिल्ट ऐसा कि क्या?
No,
Well-
not because of the build rate, मतलब just the way he portrayed, मतलब उसका
Yeah.
just because he looked more like a white man, that's why you guys liked him.
No.
No,
I
even
mean, I
Don
don't know.
Cheadle, I just always get confused. If अगर Terrence Howard was allowed to continue, तो वो कैसा रहता और डॉन चिडल का कैसा?
और मशीन और हाइट में रहता ज्यादा।
वो उतना ही नहीं, बट नहीं, डॉन चिडल मेड इट मोर कॉमिकल, लाइक उसका वो
Yeah.
थैनोस वाला वो करता है ना एंड गेम में, इफ वी कैन ट्रैवल बैक इन टाइम वी कैन जस्ट
Just
हाँ,
like
मुझे
मुझे ये वाला
वाला
character अच्छा लगा, like
when
I think he has
his character is
making it
not
work.
like his character is not that strong in MCU. It's like the most useless character in MCU right now, as far as I think. Like the only friendship with Tony is keeping him in MCU. That's what I feel like after all these years. He doesn't have any like independent like quality, which makes him like, oh, that's Iron Patriot. Come on, let's respect him. No, there's nothing like that yet introduced in MCU. So I'm waiting for this Armor Wars to do some justice for that. I don't know if they do it good or not, but let's see.
you talk about random things, मेरे को एक और चीज mention करना।
बिंदास।
So I don't know if this is like, I don't know if you guys will agree, but Zemo kind of looks like Ashish Chanchalani.
ये हट रे।
अरे यार मुझे भी जब बोला है मुझे लग रहा है उसका डिस्टेंट कसिन डिस्टेंट भाई किसी और क्या नाजायज भाई।
He's just a fat, like Ashish Chanchalani is a fat Zemo or something like ऐसा, थोड़ा chubby है।
या काइंड ऑफ मतलब आंख के उधर
Side by side compare his photos in.
eyes and everything. Yeah. अभी एंडिंग टाइटल में डाल दिया, like the ending title was this the Falcon the Winter Soldier, which was changed to the Captain America and Winter Soldier, which I think it was cool, but I don't know how you guys feel about it.
बेसिकली मेरे को क्या लगता है पता है, इसको ना दिस सीरीज नीड्स अ टाइकेबिलिटी ऑफ इट्स ओन टू फॉर रिडेम्पशन बेसिकली।
Snyder Cut reveal करो।
स्नाइडर अरे हाँ, अबाउट स्नाइडर कट भी सुनो अभी, if you see DC, I have this constant complaint, okay, whenever I see a Snyder Cut movie, I understand that his movies are dark, deep and all, but certain times I feel MCU is overlooked because it has comedy element that it is also deep. For example, मैं Endgame अभी, मेरे को Endgame के बारे में 2 क्वेश्चन तुम लोग से पूछने के बाद में पूछता है, बट अभी Endgame I was looking again, okay, तो मैंने एक सीन देखा जहां पर डॉक्टर स्ट्रेंज इज स्टॉपिंग दैट फ्लो ऑफ वाटर, मालूम है ना? ठीक है, डैम। सो उसका एक्चुअली इफ यू सी डॉक्टर स्ट्रेंज मूवी, तो दिस आई सॉ इन यूट्यूब का ये, इफ यू सी इन डॉक्टर स्ट्रेंज मूवी बेसिकली दैट सीन एंशिएंट वन उसको डॉक्टर स्ट्रेंज वाले मूवी में बोलते हैं कि दैट यू कैन नॉट बीट अ रिवर इनटू सबमिशन, यू हैव टू लेट गो ऑफ योर ईगो एंड फ्लो विद इट करके, ठीक है? सो दिस सीन वाज अ लिटिल कनेक्शन टू दैट वेयर ही स्टॉप्स द फ्लो ऑफ रिवर बिकॉज ही हैज सबमिटेड हिज ऑल ईगो ओवर द मूवीज एंड ऑल, ठीक है? सो इट हैज अ डीपर कनेक्ट, बट मेरे को जब भी देखते हैं व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट ईस्टर एग और कनेक्शन, आई फील जो तुम्हारा जैक स्नाइडर का है, ओके ही इज अ गुड एंड जीनियस डायरेक्टर, बट कहीं कहीं मेरे को वो ओवरहाइप्ड लगता है बिकॉज एमसीयू में भी है, बट वी ओवरशैडो इट विद कॉमेडी एंड से कि अरे इट्स सो फन लविंग, बट नहीं, डीपर मीनिंग इसमें भी है हर एक चीज का।
मतलब there is, but you need to look मतलब थोड़ा और carefully if you look, then you will find the little subtle nods,
even impactful, then वो noticeable होना चाहिए ना। अगर हम लोग notice नहीं कर रहे, then it doesn't have any impact. It doesn't make sense to have any like deeper meaning.
कुछ चीजें ऐसी भी होती है which मतलब डायरेक्टर्स का पॉइंट भी होगा ऐसा, और कुछ चीजें ऐसी भी होती है that you only catch when you watch it for the second or third time.
Yes.
It does not mean it's not there and it's not important.
Yes.
But there are some things like even when you are reading a book, say a novel या कुछ पढ़ रहे हैं, second या third reading में भी कुछ चीजें नोटिस होती है.
अरे छोटे-छोटे चीजों का सब पता है, but Aditya is saying deeper.
Joy is for you when you read it for the next time, you know. So
No,
there might be some elements कुछ ऐसा प्लान करके भी डाला होगा.
Like Snyder का ऐसा है कि
small ऐसे details. आदित्य said कि deeper चीजों का बात कर रहा था ना, मतलब कि
So,
it has like
ये deep इसलिए है because if anybody remembers ancient ones का words, तभी sense बनेगा. Like मेरे को भी अभी तक notice नहीं हुआ, but the moment Aditya said it, I'm like,
हाँ मेरे को भी सेंस नहीं हुआ. I was watching a YouTube video and I got it. और फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी देख तू ये तुम लोगों को BVS अगर याद रहेगा तो BVS में दिस गाय इज स्टैंडिंग ओके, उसके पीछे तुमको इसका रॉबिन का एक ये दिखता है, सूट दिखता है एंड द जोक्स ऑन यू. ठीक है, जब BVS रिलीज हुआ था इट वाज वेरी हाइप्ड कि ओ माय गॉड इसने ये सब डाला है, इसने इतना सोचा है. I'm like ओके ब्रो ठीक है इसने सोचा है मैं मानता हूँ, बट द फैक्ट इज तुम the way people undermine MCU is the only problem I have with that. I'm like no, MCU में भी है.
Snyder though, like how does that make Snyder an overhyped person?
No, I feel people overhype a particular section and do not judge both equally. That's what I'm saying, not Snyder itself. But people in general जब बोलते हैं DC और Marvel के बारे में, I feel people are like अरे देख DC बहुत deep है, Marvel में सब comedy. I'm like no, ऐसा नहीं है. Marvel में भी deep shit है, अपन दिखता नहीं. That is what I felt. कि जब ये comment section
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि Marvel का fan base थोड़ा चूतिया भी है.
हाँ toxic भी है बराबर है.
Yeah, and like dumb and toxic, like dumb वाला चूतिया. I mean, they are just, you know, your regular Bollywood movie watchers who have turned to watch Hollywood movies, like ऐसा
Marvel Hollywood movies, yeah.
A lot of the fan base, like at least in India.
भाई के fans है सब भाई का fans.
Boy का. Talking about भाई लोग ये राधे का मूवी का ट्रेलर देखा क्या? कैसा लगा?
No, please, no, नहीं चाहिए. Next trailer से याद आया शांग-ची का ट्रेलर. How did you like it?
Began. That is a racist comment again.
I want to see how many
Sorry audience, we didn't mean the racist comment. आधे चूतिया है, इसको माफ कर.
पता नहीं यार, मतलब विजुअली ठीक था, देखेंगे because I don't know much about Shang-Chi, so I have to watch.
The only reference I have of the 10 Rings is एक animated cartoon आता था पहले, Iron Man and Armored Adventures करके.
वो बच्चों
में
का
Iron Man, हाँ बच्चों वाला. तो उसमें जो Iron Man था, he was a teenager, school going teenager. उसका villain जो था उसमें, that guy was Mandarin or something, पता नहीं Chinese होता था. तो
yeah, it's the same organization. जो Shang-Chi का वो evil है, they are the same ones who kidnapped Iron Man also in the first movie.
हाँ बराबर. Mandarin is there since 2008. वो third movie में उसका fake लेके आए. And I don't know how that.
But the Mandarin is an actual character. मतलब वो 10 Rings जो है ना, that thing वो Mandarin से related है.
Yes.
Exactly.
Mandarin is the one who wears the rings and
उसका 10 शादी हुआ क्या है वो 10?
अरे 10 rings वो नहीं है. Actually 10 rings में
क्या है? Rings of Power Man.
Yeah, different alien क्या soldiers का soul है उसमें. मतलब those.
Oh yeah, in the movie they are gonna show it. They have showed it the rings as bracelets.
हाँ.
So the Marvel already like.
Marvel always
changes.
Does this वो थोड़ा इटी-बिटी चेंज करता ही है टू मेक इट रियल, क्योंकि अभी वही है ना, तुम ऐसा का ऐसा लेके नहीं आ सकते इधर, थोड़ा इधर उधर चेंजेस करता है.
Like from trailer which the parts which I liked, the movie soundtrack is going to be good I think, and the thing which I hate is that character of that sidekick character, what's her name? Forgot that. Aquafina. Oh, she's so bad. Oh my god, she sucks, bro.
अरे मेरे को कभी वो MCU में भी थोड़ा
लिटरली कॉमिक रिलीज के लिए लाया बस.
MCU में हमेशा होता ही है वो.
एक
जोकर कैरेक्टर के लिए उसको इंट्रोड्यूस किया.
क्यों ऐसा?
बराबर.
क्यों नीचे दिखाते हैं ऐसा लोग को? क्यों? Why they do it? I completely hate that thing, like they do with Marvel movies.
Like the only side character I love till now is Ant-Man का वो side character.
that guy talks stories and everything. Oh my god, I forgot his name.
हाँ
Mexican guy है ना, I guess.
हाँ वो मैक्सिकन गए
Mexican guy.
उसको देख के लाजर का याद आता है.
सही एकदम सही.
क्या?
वो उनका एक ही कैरेक्टर मेरे को अच्छा लगा.
शैंची का कास्ट एशियन है ना, तो उसमें ऑकोफिनो को भी डाल दिया, घुसा दिया.
वही exactly.
घुसा दिया.
It was forced and everything. Yeah, I felt
जैकी चैन रहना चाहिए शैंग-ची में.
सस्पेंस है.
अरे हाँ मेरे को लगा रे जैकी चैन रहता तो अच्छा होता है.
ट्विस्ट में
जैकी चैन को विलन बनाना चाहिए.
वही विलन कौन है सोचा तू? जैकी चैन विलन तू क्या है यार? पता नहीं क्या.
अबे जैकी चैन को विलन बनाया तो चाइना देखेगा ही नहीं मूवी. 1.5 billion people not watching.
Oh, Disney does that thing really bad. For another day we will talk.
ये मेरे को लाजर ने बोला था, which I don't know, which I want to believe, but पता नहीं ऐसा लगता है, but
it's actually
like
a
क्या बोला
very deep
उसने?
topic. It's actually a very deep topic. How Disney manipulates the market and how they suck ass for China. This is a completely different topic.
Yes.
I want to talk this in a completely different podcast with everything.
जिसको रखेंगे हम लोग इल्यूमिनाटी टॉपिक में. अपन लोग बात करेंगे ऐसा.
Like how all of this like studio video का जो रहता है ना, how
profit thing
like
yeah, it's a completely
ये अपना नेक्स्ट टॉपिक फाइनलाइज हो गया है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हम इस पे बात करेंगे. तो दोस्तों जो भी एक दो लोग हमें सुन रहे हैं बाय मिस्टेक जो यहाँ आ चुके हैं, नेक्स्ट टाइम हम इल्यूमिनाटी के बारे में करेंगे. इल्यूमिनाटी आप हमें सुन रहे हैं,
जिसको चाइना के बारे में बिचिंग सुनने का है वो आ जाओ अगले एपिसोड में.
वैक्सीन बेच
गो द हेडलाइन फॉर नेक्स्ट एपिसोड विल गो करना गो.
और also the trailer from Shang-Chi, the thing Mad
ये
Rip.
शैंग-ची से ये तुम लोग को मॉर्टल कॉम्बैट का ट्रेलर कैसा लगा?
Oh my god, the movie bro, the movie and the trailer. किसी देखा? Did anyone saw that movie?
मैंने सिर्फ वो
Movie का
स्टार्टिंग
बारे
का
में.
क्लिप देखा था.
Adit, you saw that starting का clip, right?
स्टार्टिंग
हाँ?
क्लिप.
बस छोड़ दे, उसे भी छोड़ दे तू, और आगे मत देख.
आगे भी देखा.
नहीं, आगे मत देखने का मतलब.
क्यों तूने देखा क्या?
Yes, I saw the whole movie.
Is it out? Is the movie out?
Yes, movie out. Like I will give you a spoiler-free review. Okay. The thing is that if you are a true hardcore Mortal Kombat game fan, if you used to play that game a lot and everything, and you're like solely watching the movie for the fight and everything, it may entertain you. It may, because even the fights are bullshit. Like it was not that good. Only few one or two blows were good. Like one or two blows like were good. Just only that. So whole movie, I don't feel like it really stood up to the hype which it got. It's not that great of a movie, but for a, like it's like a popcorn movie. You can just watch it like खाना खा रहे हैं और टीवी पे डाल दे बस देखते रहे. You can understand the whole movie just like that. Okay, it is that simple. It doesn't that grave like the plot thing. Like the initial 7 minutes, the clip they released, and after that, like the initial the starting 10 to 15 minutes of the movie is so good. It is so good, and then suddenly changes to like shit. I don't know what happened. Like the magic happens in the movie also. I guess I don't know. Like it is so bad. So I'm not giving any spoilers, but the movie is really bad for me. I don't know how you guys feel to watch it. If you're going to watch it for the fight scene and everything, I guess you might like it. I don't know. So like that. Or by talking about the fight and everything, the Shang-Chi, like the combat stunts in Shang-Chi is far better than this thing. The trailer itself,
from the trailer we got,
yeah, the trailer itself, it's far better than the.
मेरे को I feel Marvel is moving towards either hand to hand combat or total magic, because Black Widow का ट्रेलर में मेरे को एक्शन बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Oh yeah,
honestly.
Yeah, I'm so in for the hand to hand combat. It's like it's a turn on for me. Sorry guys, the hand to hand combat is like the thing which I been doing since my childhood. Like
you're a sucker for hand to hand combat.
Yeah, I'm a sucker for that.
ये फेटिश का बारे में बात हो गया आज.
अरे फेटिश नहीं यार, क्या बोलते हैं? if the movie is shit, but to include a very good hand-to-hand combat sense, I would still pay $100 for that movie. It's like I'm that crazy about hand-to-hand combat, like the genuinity of that. Like
Also, if you are ever gonna watch an anime, watch Naruto. It has more hand-to-hand combat than any other anime.
It's on my watch list, Naruto. Like I have to watch it. Don't come at me, please. I know it's a great show. I still have to watch it. And also that Attack on Titan. So like I'm rooting for both. I have to watch it.
खत्म करने के लिए, how hyped are you all guys for Loki?
Loki, I am like very hyped. I just want it to be like the redemption for Falcon and Winter Soldier. कुछ गंदा होने के वैसे डेटॉल लगाते हैं अपन घाव वाव पे, वो Loki मेरे लिए.
अभी लोकी जब 2 वीक में आएगा, I'm just hoping that it is much better than both of the things which you have got.
Same मैं भी बहुत hyped है, लेकिन like आदित्य said कि भाई ज्यादा expectation मत रखो. I'm थोड़ा skeptical also, but the trailer जितना देखा, trailer तो looks damn good, damn awesome.
Yeah.
And it makes me excited as well.
अरे it's kinda good.
जो टट्टी यहाँ फैलाई है Falcon and Winter Soldier में, जरा थोड़ा सा साफ किया जाए, मौका किया जाए. But again I am not sure कि क्या करेंगे. Like ultimately they can shit on this as well.
They have shown like some kind of multiverse.
Maybe ट्रेलर में सारे अच्छे सीन्स हमको ट्रेलर में दिखा दिए, बाकी सीन्स में देखने के लिए कुछ होगा नहीं.
हाँ, मेरे को वही डर लग रहा है अभी. ना ऐसा अच्छा ठीक अभी तक होगा मीडियम में. I don't want a deep
Falcon and Winter Soldier का जो ट्रेलर था, ट्रेलर देख के पता चला था कि it would be a quiet, ज्यादा कुछ होगा नहीं. Like
it was just grounded. Exactly.
Grounded show होगा. It was grounded, but
WandaVision के ट्रेलर में लगा ही नहीं था कि ये सब होएगा. WandaVision was a surprise in that fact.
और
लोकी का थोड़ा
ट्रेलर तो looks very lit, but अब वो कितना lit उसको रख
देखना, वही कितना डीप लेके गया देखना पड़ेगा. I don't want them to make a culture of it, क्योंकि हम लोग 1 महीना पूरा वेट करने वाले. जून में उसका रिलीज, एक पूरा महीना निकल के वो आएगा. देखते हैं. So with this, आज का पॉडकास्ट we'll end it here. नेक्स्ट का टॉपिक मिल चुका है, तो अपन देखेंगे नेक्स्ट में क्या बात करते. तो क्लोज योर लाइन्स ऑल ऑफ यू. क्या बोल रहे पब्लिक
को? अभी ये बोलेगा कि होप रखो कि लोकी पब्लिक ज्यादा और पसंद करे, कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी टू फैल्कन एंड विंटर सोल्जर. कि लोकी जो कैरेक्टर है, लोकी इज सो गुड, सच अ कैरेक्टर. लाइक द कैरेक्टर इज सो मच पोटेंशियल टू लाइक डू अ कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट एवरीथिंग. Because the Loki we are getting is the Loki which hasn't got any character development. You know, like the Loki we are getting is the Loki after the Avengers incident. So he has zero character development. Yeah, 2012 wala Loki. Yeah, the bitch Loki we are getting. So there's a lot of potential for that. So public, stay tuned for that. Okay. And also stay tuned for Love, Death and Robots coming next month and next month.
Yes, we have to talk about that.
It's gonna be dope. So
what is that? Yeah,
I don't know.
Death and Robots.
Love, Death and Robots. I don't know if we have time to talk about that now, so we will keep that for another episode. So and we will also talk about Conjuring 3 at next episode, like how the trailer went and other comic book news and the rumors which is going about. So till then. Ciao.
What? That was pretty racist, but
ciao. Bonjour.
चलिए फिर लोग
bye.
Let's see you in the next episode. Bye.